In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an online store with Wix for beginners. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit from your Wix dashboard. Once the site loads, click Design Site to enter the editor. On the home page, begin by updating the main heading. Replace the default text with your store name so visitors can immediately see your brand. Then move to the home page banner and add a short description of what you sell. Keep it simple and clear. You can also update the call to action button so it encourages visitors to shop now, browse products, or learn more about your store. Next, go to Pages and Menu from the left toolbar. This is where you can build the basic structure of your website. Add any pages you want for your store, such as an About page, a Contact page, or any other page that helps customers learn more about your business. Make sure each page has a clear title so your navigation is easy to understand. After that, go to My Business from the left side of the editor and open Store Products. This section is where you will add the items you want to sell. Click Add Product to create your first listing. Enter the product name, then write a description that explains what the item is and highlights the most important details. Add the product price, upload product images, and complete any other product information Wix asks for. The more complete your listing is, the better your store will look to shoppers. Once you finish entering the details, save the product. Then repeat the same process for each additional item you want to sell. Take your time to make sure all your products have clear names, accurate prices, and high-quality images. This will help your store look more professional and make it easier for customers to browse. When your pages and products are in place, click Preview to review the full store before it goes live. Check that the homepage looks good, the navigation works properly, and your product listings display correctly. If everything looks right, click Publish to make your online store live and available to visitors. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.